Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day. Today we're in Sewell, New Jersey, also known as Washington Township, and we're on 11 Blossom Court, and this is Parke Place. It's a lovely 55 and over community, one of the best in all South Jersey. Highly coveted addresses here, and we have a 2-bed, 2-bath Fairmont II model, and we're going to show you that, and I want to walk and talk and run through the property right now. So this one is a little bit different. It's got the 2-car garage. Not many have it. The landscaping out here is really nice. You have the stacked stone all the way around, and there's a special surprise in the back. I'll show you that momentarily. Nice bench here. You could sit in the afternoon sun, and you walk in, everything is just gleaming in this home. Got the column back from the Roman days. Lovely sitting area, dining room set in here. Easily could put your china cabinet on this side. We have another curio cabinet right here. The 2 beds are on the first floor, and this one also has the loft upstairs, which I'll show you momentarily. We'll call this one bedroom number 1. Just everything nice and neat. The paint is sharp. Windows are in good shape. You got a closet here. Bathrooms are beautifully designed and have amenities with the tile on the floor and beautiful mirrors. This is the garage with the 2 cars. This property also has the solar panels, and that's owned by the seller. And guess what, buyers? You're going to get the benefit of the seller installing those for you, and your electric bills are going to be nominal. And an exquisite kitchen. Lovely granite countertops, recessed lighting, tile floor, everything's in excellent shape. Stainless steel appliance package, and the other bank of cabinetry there, and the countertop. Hardwood in here. I think it's hardwood. It looks that way. It's so clean I can't even tell. So maybe it's composite, but really nice. Plenty of room here for your flat screen TV, and you have a gas log fireplace. Crown moldings as well. Here's the bonus back. You have an E.P. Henry back patio, and this is a rarity, and the seller had to go through many hoops with the association to get this installed. You don't have to worry about that. It's already done. Look how nice that is. Making our way back, you can see you have the very long sight line all the way through the property. Outstanding. And this is your master bedroom. There's a huge room here. Really big. So you can see how you have plenty of space in here. It just feels really nice. The color palette is outstanding. And take some time and really look at the tile work in this bathroom. Lovely flooring with the planks, the big 12 by 24 stacked vertical tiles, very nice. And you have that shower with the stall, with the glass, with the cobblestone base. You have a standard closet, and then this really convenient walk-in closet. It's a huge space. Here's your walk right into your laundry room. You have your hot water heater in there. And those utilities, the hot water heater is newer, as is the HVAC system. That would be the furnace and the air conditioning, installed approximately in 2020. Let's make our way upstairs. And this is what makes this Fairmont II model really special. It has this upstairs loft. Look at this bullpen area, huge. Nice windows, gives you the western exposure. And you have another area here where you can put a computer, home office, whatever you need. This is excellent as well. You have all this storage space, and it continues on. You have even more above the garage. Check it out. And then coming back this way, this is your newer furnace, coil, installed in approximately 2020. So you'll have years of worry-free comfort via that system. If you like this property, give us a thumbs up. If you need to share this property with anybody, just hit the share button. That'll send it out to all your family and friends. And if you really love the content, what we're doing here, make sure that you subscribe, and you can see all the videos as they come out. And also, all these properties plus every house in South Jersey is on thinkw.com. Check that out. I have 2 beds, 2 baths. I have the loft at this property, 1,770 square feet. The back patio is a real nice extra. The landscape package here is terrific. You have in-ground irrigation, 2-car garage, and the interior is just phenomenal. Granite countertops, backsplash, really in great condition. The association fees are very low here. My understanding is it's $137 a month. There is a capital contribution fee for the next buyer coming in, but that's nominal. Some of the excellent amenities at Parke Place are the clubhouse, which you would have access to. There's tennis courts there and the pool. And of course, the association takes care of the landscaping, an outstanding value. Everybody wants Parke Place. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.